on our way now to the Kelpies. No, we're not. No, we're not. Well, we're on. We're going, Rich.
Falkirk Wheel.
Falkirk Wheel. And there's one just going up, one just coming down. So we're on Antonine.
Are you going? No.
Well, that was a lovely stop, Rach, wasn't it, at Dunbar?
It certainly was, yeah.
Had the weather as well. Little bit of rain, but it wasn't just spitting really, wasn't it? And that very every now and again. But other than that, it's been like this, blue sky and
as you can see out the window now, lovely blue skies and sunshine because we've got a day of travel. But hopefully it'll still be nice later on.
Yeah, we're on our way now to the Kelpies. No, we're not. No, we're not. Well, we're on. We're going, Rich.
Falkirk Wheel.
Falkirk Wheel, and then the Kelpies the day after.
Yeah.
So we're staying overnight at the Falkirk Wheel, and you have a motorhome there.
We're going to have a ride on the gondola thing, boat through the gondola.
Yeah, that's all booked and sorted.
So we'll show you that when we get there.
Yeah, it should be good.
Good.
Yeah, it's pretty good. £15 a night, and that includes you've got waste, toilet facilities, and showers. But you just need
£20 deposit.
£20 deposit
for the key.
For the key.
Yeah.
But yeah, sounds pretty good.
Should need more of them in Scotland or anywhere in England, really. All right. Speak to you soon.
Well, here we are at the Falkirk Wheel.
Yeah, it's impressive.
It's a lovely day as well. So hopefully get some nice views. But yeah. It's a lot better than what we anticipated it to be. It's a right good complex, yeah. I'll let you have a look. And there it is. There's one just going up, one just coming down. And here is our park up. There's Luca parked up there for the night. £15. And they've even been good and let us park our car that's attached to it but now isn't for free. So you can't complain with that.
10% off your breakfast in the morning.
Oh yeah, forgot about that. And yeah, there's no rush to leave, you can leave any time, they said.
Yeah, which is good because you're going to the Kelpies.
Yeah, tomorrow's the Kelpies day, so. But yeah, how good is that? It's impressive, isn't it?
Isn't it?
We've got 10 minutes to get there, so we better get it. Oh look, there's them balloons, water things that Harvey went on.
Water ball things.
Granddaughter loves them. So we're just coming down now to the visitor centre. This is where we paid for our car park. It's a very popular place as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Lots of cars parked on the lower car park. Coach parties, quite a few coach parties have been. It does draw people in. This way for the Falkirk Wheel. Aye. Wood-fired pizza as well, and not open. There's that one in for tea.
Yeah. That's the trick.
Didn't realise it was a marina as well.
Yeah, in Hebrides.
Kiddies play area over there. And the various hooks, they'll probably be selling stuff, won't they? Yeah. Got all sorts going on, haven't they?
I don't know if I two.
Tyler and one adult.
Let's have a look at the lock here. Now that's the best way of seeing it. What is it, that one? Is it the...
This is the new model that they developed, the DJI.
Is it the 4? Is it a Mini 4 or
Mini 4?
Mini 4.
This is the Mini 3.
Mini 3.
It's the same one as the Mini 4. They did Mini 3 Plus, like the Pro.
Yeah.
And they've done this one. This one is not the Pro. It doesn't have the TrackMe on it.
Right, okay.
But there's software that does it for you.
Oh, right. Because I'm thinking of getting one, so yeah.
But these are legal to fly in an environment like this.
Yes, because they're less than
the
light.
Less than 215.
Yeah.
That's 249.
Yeah, that's...
Says to Tyler, does he want to go up
They're bang on time, aren't they?
Yeah. I tell them unloaded and loaded up.
Black Prince Holidays. So we're on Antonine.
Are you going? No.
Thank you.
But yeah, no, it's not.
Yep. That's okay. Put it there. I've got it there.
There's a little boat sailing on the sea with a tiny flag waving joyfully. It bobs up and down in the ocean blue. A little boat with a happy crew. Sail, sail, little boat, so free. Through the waves and the breeze, so merrily. With a whistle and a song, we journey along in our little boat where we belong. The sun shines bright on our little boat as we glide along. We stay afloat with seagulls flying high and dolphins in sight. We sail through the day and into the night. Sail, sail, little boat, so free. Through the waves and the breeze, so merrily. With a whistle and a song, we journey along in our little boat where we belong. We explore new lands and distant shores. With every adventure, our spirit soars in the moon's soft.
Thanks for your patience there. We were just tying up the holiday boat there. These people have never been in before, so thanks for your patience. My name's Gary, I'm your skipper on board. And a crew member today is Matthew. If you get Matthew a wee bit. Thanks very much. Just a wee bit about health and safety on board the vessel. So if you just pay attention for a couple of seconds. The wheel on clockwise and anti-clockwise. We don't know what way it's going to go, believe it or not. It's up to the operator. And the reason for that is throughout the year, it'll turn so many revolutions clockwise, so many revolutions anti-clockwise. And it's to keep even wear in the machinery of the wheel. So as you sit here, have a wee guess to see if you get it right. Because I don't know either. Right, so once we do it, start to turn, we'll be going to the top. Now if you look up, that's where we're heading. Does anybody frightened of heights? Yeah. Sorry, it's too late. Anybody frightened of water? It's too late. You did book your boat tour, didn't you? Right folks, so when the wheel starts to turn and we get to the top, the little vessel at the side of us here, Cactus Wren, she'll be leaving first. She'll be sailing out the gondola, through the pinch point and through the Rough Castle tunnel, and we will be following a safe distance behind. So once she's through the Rough Castle tunnel, we'll exit the Rough Castle tunnel as well. We'll turn in the top basin. The basin is similar to the bottom basin. You know the bit you were looking at there before you came up. We'll turn. This vessel here is going to Edinburgh, so it's going to the Union Canal. We're not going to the Union Canal, we're turning in the top basin. We'll come back the way we started. We'll get some lovely views off of the fourth estuary, see the Kelpies, and we'll see other things as well. We'll talk to you some of the views that we see. Now, there's an audio commentary playing throughout the trip, folks, so just bear in mind for other people who want to listen. And a wee tip, and this is an important one. If you're taking pictures, we encourage taking pictures, as many pictures as you like. But if you're sticking your phones and your hands out the windows, please, please, please keep a tight grip on your phones, because we're having 2 or 3 phones now have went plop in the water, and we cannot get them back. We do not drain the canal to get them back, so you have century onto them. So please watch your phones and your cameras.
Pardon?
The sun's shining that way.
I'll hide behind that in a minute.
There's a little boat sailing on the sea with a tiny flag waving joyfully. It bobs up and down in the ocean blue. A little boat with a happy crew. Sail, sail, little boat, so free. Through the waves and the breeze, so merrily. With a whistle and a song, we journey along in our little boat where we belong. The sun shines bright on our little boat as we glide along. We stay afloat with seagulls flying high and dolphins in sight. We sail through the day and into the night. Sail, sail, little boat, so free. Through the waves and the breeze, so merrily. With a whistle and a song, we journey along in our little boat where we belong. We explore new lands and distant shores. With every adventure, our speed.
Now, when the Liverlocks was built, it was built to connect, see below in front of the boat there, the Forth and Clyde Canal, right? And that was the first sea-to-sea canal, which meant you could come in for the east there, from the River Forth, from anywhere in the world, right? That River Forth can take you anywhere in the world, down into the North Sea. So ships came, boats came, they all came in from all over the world with coal, with wood, with grain, with everything. Industry came in through the River Forth, and they would come into the river cam and introduce ourselves into the Forth and Clyde Canal. Now that canal would go all the way to Glasgow and it would exit at the Clyde. And it's
So here we are, just left Falkirk and the Falkirk Wheel. We were going to do the Kelpies, but we found out that they're actually having some maintenance work done on them. So they're not being lit up at night time, so not until the 6th of September.
I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It all helps to grow the channel. And if you hit the notification button, you can see future vlogs. Thanks for watching. See you soon.